Gold and silver has shown a sharp dip yesterday where gold has moved towards 28.87 before now recovering all the way towards 29.20, 29.30 levels, while silver has also moved lower towards 31.30, 31.20 levels. What to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect this bearishness to continue, or there is a possibility of a reversal and rise? And can we expect metals to be back on the bullish path? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. If you look at the early charts, what has happened? See, price is traded bearish sharp. It was trading with divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. This is the retracement. The retracement is done all the way towards 20 and 50 period moving average. The reversal confirmation in gold is only and only if you see it trading about 29.40, 29.44 zone. Else it is still not bullish. This is just a retracement, and it can reverse again. It can again continue on the down move here. So be watchful. See, it is getting a very good resistance from the 20 and 50 period moving average, though you can buy at 29, 22 levels, but then you will find it getting resistance from 29, 28, 30, the first resistance zone. Beyond this, you can expect slight bullishness. The stochastic has dropped here. Look at the MACD after hitting the lows, after dropping sharp. Now it has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI almost running flat. Coming to 2 hour, the observation is similar on the 2 hour chart. See, the crossover in the moving average is a very important observation, as this crossover is coming after a long time here. After multiple weeks, we have seen now gold showing this crossover. This might be the beginning of the bear market here in. However, too early to conclude. There is a possibility of a little retracement, and the current candle, this previous candle, might become the reversal sign. But the selling entry has to be only and only if you see it is staying below 29.10, 29.08. Those who want a little early can sell at 29.40. But let's have a further look. See, first, a possibility of a move towards again 29.30 exists, and these levels are going to act as a stronger resistance for gold on the upside. Stochastic is rising. MACD has seen good enough bearishness. There is a possibility for it to show signs of convergence. It is, see, notice that when it was bullish, it has hit the highs at plus 15. While it is bearish, it is showing signs of convergence, but it does not mean that it cannot hit further lows. And yes, because this bearishness is seen after a long time, it may continue or prevail for a little more time. RSI has dropped, now trying to bounce back, coming to 3. Similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. Price is traded with divergence from the 20 period. We have seen a move which has taken the price all the way towards 20-50 period moving average. Now see, here on the 3 hour charts, the moving averages are yet to cross over. Now look at the preceding candle. It's a swing candle, and the current one, possibly it can in fact turn green here. It can bounce back, it can move again towards 29, 28, 30 levels, which should be a greater resistance zone. Also notice that I will say this is just a retracement, not a reversal. As long as 29, 40, 46 zone is not taken, these are going to remain greater resistance. If you look at the movement here, see, what did we discuss yesterday? That it has to come out of this box. It is traded below and now trying to enter into this box. What it may try to create is this channel, which is a bearish channel with the highs close to 29.30 or in fact 29.40 levels. The prices might reverse from those levels as well. Stochastic rising. See, MACD trading sharply bearish, looking downwards, trading with divergence. RSI is comfortable. On the 4-hour charts, when you see, similar observation on the 4-hour charts, moving average is not yet crossed over, though these have shown signs of convergence here, but not yet crossed over. These are still in green. This is the first point. Next is, this is under retracement, not a reversal. After this one bearish candle, this is under retracement. It is trading in this channel. I will wait for the next candle to appear, and once it trades in green, there is a possibility that it may erase all the losses from this candle, which means a movement all the way towards 29.40 is possible, and hitting the zone also, prices may again turn. The stochastic looking upwards, showing signs of bullishness. The MACD is still bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is running flat. Coming to the daily. Now see, yesterday I have mentioned my worry point is the divergence of the price from the 20 period. What has happened in one single candle? It is just kissed the 20 period and bounced back. Now for the day, it is forming, it has already formed the wick out here and now turning red. It can again attempt to move towards 29, 28, 90, 28, 80 zone. There is a possibility, but first thing is it may try to retrace a little, trap a little more buyers before reversing. This possibility you should not ignore. And as I said, till 29.40, 29.46, we should not be treating gold as bullish for the day. Stock IST has dropped here. Now look at the MACD. This is what we discussed, that it is trading with divergence. This is definitely a bearish sign. And see, it has lot much of a scope on the downside available. Yes, this crossover has appeared after a long time and it may continue here for a while. So signs are still not very much encouraging for bulls in gold. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. So it appears gold has come into an rise on sell on rise position here, where first the probability of a movement all the way towards 2930, 2940 is possible, and a reversal from these levels is equally probable here. And thus you should make both ways. First, before I provide you the buying and selling entries, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy if you see it staying above 29, 22, 24. Remember, this was the support zone. These were the support levels we have discussed several times yesterday and day before yesterday in last few sessions. So 29, 22, 24, if it breaks, you can expect it to move towards 29, 28, 30 zone. 29, 28, 30 should be a good resistance. And if 29, 28, 30 is taken, then 29, 35, 36. Remember, all of these levels were good support when the prices were trading above these levels. Now this will become a greater resistance as well. So beyond 29, 35, 36, you can expect the price to move towards 29, 40 to 44 zone. And if 40 to 44 is taken, then you can say now the gold is again back into the bullish zone. Though I do not expect, the possibility will be high that hitting the zone in between 29, 30 and 40, prices can again take a reversal. That is the first part. Second part is where to sell. I will only recommend you to sell here at 29, 12 levels, where you can expect, or 29, 14, 29, 12 zone, where you can expect gold to move towards 2908, 2900, 2892 and 2884.80. Remember, any drop below 2880 is a clear sign of further bearishness in gold prices, where we are looking at 2860 and in fact lower levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to likewise what we have seen in gold, same is getting replicated here in silver. See, prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has converged here. Now it is very important for silver to trade above 31.85, $32 zone. If and only if these two levels are taken, we can see the next movement all the way towards 32.20 levels. So till the time it stays below 32.20, we should be careful with the buys here. Though you should notice that silver is largely trading in this zone, and the highs of the zone is now around 32, 32.20. So wait for it to take a direction. Yes, if you see it is staying above 31.85, you can buy, but then 32, 32.20 should be a greater resistance here. Notice it has just converged towards 20 period, and 20 period is offering a very good resistance here. Stock IST has dropped here. The MACD, after hitting the bottom, it is now crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising here. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. If you now see what we had seen on the early charts, prices have moved towards 20 period, and this is getting replicated here on the 2 hour charts as well. Now when you look at 2 hour charts, there is still a scope for a rise. Now this means that there is a possibility of a movement all the way towards 32, and hence beyond 31.85 you can expect 32, 32.20 levels at the next targets. But remember, the moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence, definitely a bearish sign. And the reversal confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades above 32.80, which is a definitely far beyond level, which I think it is not going to break, at least today. Stock IST rising, MACD has hit sharp bottom. It is now trying to converge crossover and show some bullishness. RSI looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, look at the preceding few candles, retracement, consolidation, and now hitting the double top. It is trying to reverse, though I still expect that there is a possibility of a little further rise here. So let it stay above 31.85. When you see the lower price above 31.85, you can buy, expect 32, 32.20 levels. Remember, silver price is still trading with too much of divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. Also notice the moving averages crossing over here definitely is a good bearish sign for silver for the near term. Though a little retracement can be expected, but I do not see it completely reversing, which means I do not expect it to break beyond 32.80 now. Stochastic rising, MACD is sharply bearish, wait for it to cross over, RSI is coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Notice preceding two candles comes with tail, and the current one is ending in a consolidation zone, and thus very important for silver to now come out of this. Possibility is there that it may rise further, but right now it is not showing strength here. It is waiting for the moving averages to come down sharp, then it will move towards 32 32 and then again we may see it reversing on the downside. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD sharply bearish here, trading with divergence looking downwards. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice the formation in silver. Every rise offsets with a retracement, and this was the bigger rise and hence bigger the retracement. Now, if you connect the dots here, you will find this is how silver has been trading. Very important now for silver to trade below 31. Any drop below 31 is a clear sign of a breakout here from the zone. Though if you notice the formation, the bigger drop, the retracement, and near term silver is trading in this bigger bearish channel. Where are the lows of this channel? All the way towards 28, and hence once it comes out of 3130 zone, then you can say now we can look forward to 28 as well. So when I say 3130 is 30 to 31 dollar levels, which is going to remain the prime support here. Now see, this is a long term vision, but if you look at the near term charts, you will find the moving averages after the crossover are still trading bullish, trading in green. Next is increasing bearishness is seen, and the third is lower lows are seen. So now it is possible that we may see a slight retracement before it tries to reverse, and specifically silver is getting slightly oversold here. Look at the stochastic, this is at bottom, but when it comes to MACD, see what we discuss that we have seen a good enough rise in silver and now it is ready for a plunge. Now it is possible that it may continue with this because see the divergence is strong and this is just 3 candles away after the crossover. This suggests that we may see further downside. So as long as at least silver today respects 3280, which I do not see it breaking anyways today, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Very clear. Now it is possible that we may see a move towards 32 3225 or 32 40 50 levels. These are the resistances which are going to play out strong on the upside. A move beyond 32 40 50 should be a good indicator of further rise, but till then it is not to be treated bullish, and thus you can buy here at 3185, expect 3205 3225 and then 3240 50. From those levels, again the reversal can be expected. Ideally, a selling entry in silver has to be below 3160 levels. Now 3160 3150 should be a very good support. Below this you can expect 3120 and 31. If at all silver trades below 31, you can expect the bears to take over completely, and then you can look forward to a greater correction here. 30 50 $30 levels are the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.